All right, so I got curious, and curiosity kills the cat. So we went ahead and spent some time in here pulling the havoc box and the gauges out because I just needed to know the answer to the question. The question is, how bad is the back of this firewall under this havoc box right there in the corner? And thankfully, other than that, which we already saw from the outside, this thing looks okay. There's that spot right there in the corner, and there's one more little spot like that in the opposite corner of that steering column area, which is this corner right here and the other corner of that box that we were worried about. And then there's the hole that we saw on the inside, and it stops right there. So that means that, if I can follow this through a little bit, what I want to do now, what I'd like to do is, instead of ordering this whole piece, because this whole piece is going to be about $1,500 to get here, if I take some metal that I got laying around, and we're not looking for a perfect repair, but we need a waterproof repair, I can go ahead and cut this open and just take the front of this where it's rusted out, take the front of that off, which would let me get to the roll, the underside of that firewall piece that we were looking at, and I can fix all this back here with some other pieces. I don't think there's any holes in this. I think it's just pretty scaly flash rust. And so my goal, and what I want to do, is just go across that like that, and then use an old wheel well piece to make that little tuck in where the distributor goes in the motor, come around, stop my panel there, start it over here, cut that strip out, and then go up to here, so I can break this and then just replace right underneath this hole so that we can keep the windshield wiper hole intact, and then just run this across and stop it in here, and then get in here and treat and fix and re-seam seal and make sure that's as good as it can get. Fix the front of that up, then I can just put a little square patch here and a little square patch on the other side to finish fixing the firewall out here. And then the rest of this we can just wire wheel and brush treat, and that should be a pretty painless procedure in there. That does not account for whatever we may find in the windshield, which, like I said, I still think this is the time to pull that out and look at it. And then I did go ahead and run the wire wheel inside this scale to try to see how bad this stuff is, and we do still have some metal in here, but there is holes up here, and there's a little one on the other side. And so I think that I didn't want to goop band-aid fix on this because it's the cabin area. This right here I'm okay with treating and getting it clean, and then seam sealing, probably just seam seal that hole up and down the pillar, and then that would take care of that, as long as we're making sure that no water's going to get in. And that's what rusted it out to begin with. So that's where I'm at with my head. I apologize for asking for forgiveness this time instead of permission. I had to answer the question, and I had to keep something moving forward. So there's where I'm at. I'd like your permission to just tell me, yeah, go ahead and fix this with a patch, fix this with a patch, and then goop fix that stuff. And then that kind of puts us back where we were when we sent the motor out. And then aside from the unknown question on the motor, we're still in the realm of where we talked about, things happen on cars, and I know that you know that, but in the grand scheme of me saying that general statement of, oh, things happen and this is typical for us running into, this is actually pretty low on the list as far as severity is concerned. I think I can knock this out for about the same amount of money as it would take to buy the panel in the first place. And so fix won't be perfect, but it'll be good enough for me to go ahead and put my name on it and give it back to you with confidence, get the metal replaced, and then still be able to accomplish your goals. Is what it is. Looking for permission on that one. You say go, and I'll go ahead and start cutting on this thing. The seats and the rest of the stuff are still in here, so if you want to come by tomorrow and pull that stuff out, I'm all about it. But I got myself pretty well close enough to where I need to go ahead and start on this if you're cool with that. So anyway, appreciate you. Talk to you soon.